today we have something exclusive in the house. This is like the Ferrari of all motherboards, guys. Very expensive model, at the same time loaded with next gen features. This is Gigabyte's all new Z790 Aorus Master X. If you guys remember, in one of my recent videos I told you people I was working on a very special PC project, building one of the most powerful and also most expensive gaming PC of 2024. So I've been gathering parts for the same thing, and our very first part has arrived today, guys. As I've told you, package X from Gigabyte, and this is what I'll be showcasing in this video, guys. Gigabyte Z790 Aorus Master X is a special 14th gen motherboard and has like next gen features which you might have never seen before. First of all, this is an Intel platform motherboard. You're getting LGA 1700 socket, right? So wide range of compatibility. You can use it for your 12th gen, 13th gen, and even the new 14th gen Intel CPUs as well. On top of that, this is from Gigabyte's Gen X series lineup, right? So you're getting a brand new user-friendly design. You're getting their all new easy latch system. Plus, you're also getting like a new user-centric BIOS as well. So we'll be talking about all of these features and complete overview of this motherboard in this video, guys. Let's get started. So there you go, our very first look at Gigabyte Z790 Aorus Master X. First thing I'll have to talk about is that design. Aorus Master X is an E80X form factor motherboard and has a very premium aesthetics. Love the streaks pattern and features a fully customizable ARGB Aorus logo on the VRM heatsink. Coming to the build quality of the board is also very nice. They've used an 8-layer server grade PCB for excellent durability, and that too with 2x copper enhancement that greatly improves the overall heat dissipation of the board. If you ask about the socket, as I've told you, this model features LGA 1700 socket that supports Intel 12th gen, 13th gen, and also the brand new 14th gen CPUs as well. Keeping that aside, let's move on to the VRM heatsink section. Now I'm not sure how many people know, but VRM on a motherboard is very important part, guys, and having a good VRM design is quite essential, especially for overclocking purpose, as it offers a much stable overall performance, has higher OC potential, and also improves the longevity of the components on the board. And I'm telling you, right, Gigabyte has not compromised in this section. They went with a digital direct VRM design. That means you're getting 20 plus 1 plus 2 phases design, and out of that almost 20 phases are directly going to the CPU only. These 20 phases also have like a parallel power design. That means you're getting like a 10 plus 10 design, and each phase is having around 105 amps. So multiply 20 by 105. So totally around 2100 amps are dedicated solely for the CPU to bring out the best potential and max performance out of the CPU that you'll be using on this board. Not to miss out the heatsinks as well. Chunky block of heatsinks on both the VRM section and also on the M.2 PCIe 5.0 SSD. Gigabyte is using their thermal armor fins array design, especially on the VRM heatsink, which offers up to 10x more surface area and lowers the overall temperatures by almost 10%. Alright, coming over to the RAM section, here you're getting 4 DIMM slots with dual channel DDR5 support, and the Aorus Master X supports a max of up to 192 GB capacity with a max OC of up to 8266 MHz. Pretty insane, right? Quality of these connectors is also top notch. As I've told you, with the Gen X series boards, Gigabyte is using ultra durable PCI slots with easy latch plus. So basically you're getting like a quick release mechanism for the GPU. No hassle, no struggle over here. Simply press this button on the extreme right of the board to unlock the PCI slot and easily remove your GPU. Let's also talk about the storage support. Totally on board you're getting 5 M.2 slots, out of which one of them supports PCIe 5.0 SSD and the remaining support PCIe Gen 4 SSDs. And boy oh boy, look at this massive 6-layer heatsink on the PCIe 5.0 M.2 slot. That is a chunky block of heatsink, and I'm telling you, right, it'll definitely keep your SSD running cool. But the main highlight, as I've told you at the beginning, is you're getting a whole new user-friendly DIY design, which they're calling it as easy latch system. So you see this tiny latch over here, simply twist it and there you go, the heatsink pops up just like this. I mean, there are no screws involved, no tools required, nothing. Everything can be done with your bare hands. How convenient is that? Just open up this latch, install all your NVMe SSDs and place the heatsink back at the top side and lock it. As simple as that. Same goes for the lower SSD drives also. You can simply open up the heatsink like this, install all your drives, Gen 4 drives, and finally latch up the heatsink. Very simple and convenient. Last but not the least, let's also talk about the connectivity part. You're getting a brand new I/O shield, that too with a new vented design. Have a closer look. You'll actually observe that there are tiny holes over here for improved air ventilation. The Aorus Master X offers plenty of ports on this board. You're getting almost 11 USB 3.0 Type A ports and 3 super fast USB-C ports are available at the backside for extended connectivity options. And apart from that, you're also getting like some fast networking options like a 10 gigabit Ethernet LAN port motherboard support is there. Next gen Wi-Fi 7 support is also there. That too with a pre-included ultra high gain antenna in the package. Features look quite promising, right? I'm very excited to build a PC with this motherboard. Though it might take some time because as I've told you, I'm still gathering parts for that. It's gonna be like a next level epic gaming PC, guys. Ferrari gaming PC, very powerful and also pretty expensive. So you can definitely stay tuned to that and make sure to watch all the updates I'll be sharing on the channel. So if you all enjoyed watching this video and got complete information on Gigabyte's all new Aorus Master X Z790 motherboard, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.